This is the brand new Logitech Signature Comfort Plus M850L, the first mouse from Logitech to sport a palm cushion for ultimate comfort and productivity. Let's start with the unboxing. In the box, you get the M850L with a pre-installed AA battery and some user documentation. Setting up your M850L is super easy. You can connect it via Bluetooth and to a Logibolt receiver, sold separately. To connect via Bluetooth, first make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your computer. Your M850L comes shipped with the power button in the on position. Just remove the protective battery tab and your mouse will automatically go into pairing mode. Now follow the on-screen instructions and you'll have successfully connected your M850L to your computer via Bluetooth. To connect via a Logibolt receiver, plug in the Logibolt receiver to your computer. In Logi Options Plus, click on Add Device. Under Select Connection Type, click on your Logibolt receiver. Now long press the Easy Switch button for 3 seconds until it starts blinking rapidly. Options Plus will now detect your M850L. Follow the on-screen instructions and you will have successfully connected your M850L to a Logibolt receiver. Let's take a physical tour of the mouse. On top, you get a smart scroll wheel, DPI button, and the palm cushion. On the left, you get a forward and back button. Turn around and you have the Easy Switch button, power toggle, and the battery compartment. The Signature Comfort Plus M850L features an all-new palm cushion. This gives you a comfy spot for your hand to rest on, making long hours of work more comfortable. And the best part, if the color or the shape of the cushion changes, you can replace it. The sculpted shape fits naturally into your hand, while the thumb rest and extended rubber side grip gives you perfect control, improving your overall comfort and experience. The silent clicks eliminate unnecessary distractions, allowing you to be more focused. And the smart scroll wheel is designed for both precision and speed. Want to scroll line by line or just fly through a long document? The M850L can do it all. The dedicated DPI button allows you to instantly adjust your pointer speed, tailoring the mouse's sensitivity to your exact preference. The back and forward buttons enhance navigation and simplify tasks. You can also assign custom functions to all buttons, including the middle button, via Logi Options Plus. Your M850L supports Easy Switch, meaning you can connect to 3 different devices and switch between them seamlessly with the press of a button. And with 24 months of battery life on a single AA battery, say goodbye to constant battery swaps. Featuring a comfy palm cushion, cozy side grips, silent clicks, a smart scroll wheel, and Easy Switch, the Logitech Signature Comfort Plus M850L allows you to maximize productivity and total comfort. For more information, visit our support site linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.